This is an automation for scanning a specified email address and capturing some data from that email ID, then entering those data in a specified Excel sheet, and then send mail to those specified email addresses. Now, from the first one, we use for each email to create a loop here. Here we use host and login, and this is the email address which we have to scan. Then as a server setting, we use IMAP here. We use the date from option to specify a date, and then we use filter by content option, which we use the subject loan for the filtering credential. After that, we use copy to clipboard and read that clipboard content and save it to the variable clipboard content. Then we use extract text to extract the name from the clipboard content and save it to variable name. After that, we use extract text to extract emails and save it to the email variable. Then we use append row to Excel file to enter the name and the emails to the specified Excel sheet. After that, we read a specified text file, and then we use send email option, where we also specify the host and login from which mail we use to send the emails. Then we use server settings. Here we use SMTP. After that, mail to, this is an email variable which we use here. This is the email IDs which are entered in the Excel sheet. After that, we specify the subject as information, and as a mail body, we use file content, which is the text file content here. Let's run the program. As you see, the bot starts running. Entering the next loop. Again the next loop. This is running successfully, and the emails are also sent to the specified email IDs. So that's all for my project. Thank you.